Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1226, indicates there is a short circuit in the in-car temperature sensor circuit in Honda CRV models ranging from 2017 to 2022. This short can significantly affect the performance of the climate control system. The in-car temperature sensor plays a pivotal role by measuring the air temperature inside the vehicle, which informs the climate control system to adjust the cabin temperature accordingly. The sensor is typically located within the climate control unit or near the dashboard area, making it easily accessible for repairs. Addressing this error is crucial, since it can lead to improper cabin temperature regulation, affecting passenger comfort and the overall driving experience. In this presentation, we will perform a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to resolve this issue effectively. DTC B1226 signifies a short in the in-car temperature sensor circuit that could hinder the vehicle's climate control system. The in-car temperature sensor is responsible for detecting the temperature of the air within the vehicle. This information is crucial as it guides the climate control system in maintaining a comfortable environment for the passengers. If this sensor malfunctions due to a short, the system may not operate correctly, leading to inconsistent heating or cooling. The sensor is often positioned close to the climate control unit or integrated with it, allowing it to efficiently monitor internal air conditions. This error can result in an uncomfortable ride, making it essential to diagnose and resolve the underlying issue. Several factors can cause the DTC B1226 error. First, wiring shorts can lead to the in-car temperature sensor circuit being unable to function correctly. This may occur due to wear and tear, fraying, or exposure to moisture. Second, poor connections between the climate control unit and the sensor can prevent accurate readings from being transmitted, causing the DTC to trigger. A malfunction within the temperature sensor itself can lead to erroneous readings or an inability to send any data at all. Each of these potential causes must be examined thoroughly during the diagnostic and repair process to ensure that the problem is identified and effectively resolved. When error code B1226 is present, the driver may experience several noticeable symptoms. First, the climate control system's temperature regulation might become erratic, leading to discomfort for passengers. The DTC indicator on the dashboard will light up, signaling an issue that requires attention. Additionally, the performance of the air conditioning system could significantly degrade, impacting its ability to cool the interior effectively. These symptoms indicate that the in-car temperature sensor is unable to provide accurate information to the climate control unit, necessitating immediate troubleshooting and repair to ensure the comfort and safety of the occupants. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1226 involves verifying the problem through a series of checks using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. Begin by clearing the DTC using the HDS. Once cleared, turn the vehicle off to the lock position and then back to on. This action resets the vehicle's systems, preparing them for a new diagnostic cycle. Next, perform the self-diagnostic function either via the HDS or directly at the climate control unit. This diagnostic function will check the system for any remaining codes and help confirm whether DTC B1226 is still present. Should the code appear again, further checks are required. If not, there may be intermittent wiring issues that necessitate a thorough investigation of related connections. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC B1226, the focus shifts to checking for any shorts in the TR wire. Begin by turning the vehicle back to the lock mode. You'll need to disconnect two connectors: the climate control unit connector A, which has 32 pins, and the 2P connector for the in-car temperature sensor. Once these connectors are disconnected, you will test for continuity between specified test points. The first test point is pin 27 of the climate control unit connector A, and the second is the body ground. If continuity exists, it indicates a short to ground in the TR wire, necessitating repairs. However, if there is no continuity, this suggests that the TR wire may be intact, prompting you to proceed to the next diagnostic step. The third troubleshooting step involves further checks between the TR line and the sensor COM line. With the climate control unit and in-car temperature sensor connectors still disconnected, you will check for continuity between two specific pins on the climate control unit connector A, pin 12 and pin 27. This test will help determine if there is a short between the TR line and the sensor COM line. If continuity is found, it indicates a short condition that requires immediate repair in the TR wire, resulting in further investigation into the wiring harness. Conversely, if there is no continuity, both the TR wire and the sensor COM wire are confirmed to be in good condition, allowing you to move to the next step in the troubleshooting process. The final step in troubleshooting DTC B1226 focuses on evaluating the in-car temperature sensor itself. This step is critical, especially if previous tests have indicated the wiring is not at fault. You will conduct tests on the in-car temperature sensor to ascertain its operational state. If the sensor is found to be functioning correctly, it suggests that the climate control unit may be the source of the problem, necessitating its replacement. However, if the sensor does not perform as expected, it will need to be replaced to resolve the issues associated with DTC B1226. Ensuring the sensor operates correctly is essential for the accurate reading of cabin temperatures, which is vital for efficient climate control. Once all repairs associated with DTC B1226 have been completed, it's crucial to perform a final verification of the repairs made. This involves checking for any reappearance of the DTC using the HDS. After clearing the codes again, conduct a functional test of the in-car temperature sensor to ensure it is reading accurately and has returned to normal operation. Additionally, verify that the climate control system responds appropriately to changes in temperature settings. If all systems function as they should, without any DTCs being triggered, you can confidently conclude that the repairs have been successful, ensuring a comfortable experience for all passengers within the vehicle. To prevent recurring issues related to DTC B1226 and ensure the longevity of the climate control system, regular maintenance practices are essential. Start with routine inspections of wiring, focusing on areas where the wiring might be exposed to wear and tear or environmental factors. This proactive approach can help identify and address potential problems before they result in circuit shorts. Additionally, regularly monitoring the performance of the in-car temperature sensor can help catch any issues early. Keeping connectors clean and free from corrosion will promote good electrical conductivity, reducing the risk of intermittent issues that might affect the climate control system functionality. Implementing these preventive measures will contribute significantly to avoiding costly repairs in the future. In conclusion, understanding and effectively addressing DTC B1226 involves a systematic approach to identifying its causes and symptoms. Through detailed troubleshooting steps, from verifying the DTC to checking for shorts and testing the in-car temperature sensor, mechanics can efficiently pinpoint the issue. It's crucial to follow these steps meticulously in order to guarantee that not only is the immediate problem resolved, but also to prevent future occurrences of similar issues. Regular preventive maintenance, including wiring inspections and monitoring sensor performance, will play a vital role in keeping the climate control system functional. By applying this comprehensive troubleshooting guide, Honda CRV owners can maintain a comfortable cabin environment and ensure their vehicles perform optimally. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.